packing for a trip. Tina and Brandon are getting ready to leave for a vacation.
Are you ready to go? We should get to the airport before noon.
I've packed all my clothes. Now I just need to get my toiletries together.
What do you mean by toiletries? Do you need to use the bathroom?
No, I mean things like face wash, shampoo, and toothpaste. I also need to pack some makeup.
We're going to the beach. What do you need makeup for?
You really have no idea what women do. We put on special makeup for being outdoors. It protects our skin.
But can't we just share a bottle of sunscreen?
Right. We also need sunscreen. Actually, let's stop at a drugstore on the way to the airport.
I already packed sunscreen. What do you need from the drugstore?
Well, if we're going to be on a sandy beach all week, then I definitely need some body lotion.
I'm sure we can get that at the airport.
They won't have the brand I need, trust me.
Fine, then we should get going soon.
I think I'm ready. Did you pack your deodorant?
Oh, I left it upstairs. I'll go get it.